N789-18. Alright, good morning everybody. Time is now 4:17 a.m. I've been here since 3:10 a.m. So an hour, 8 minutes, so it's 3:18 now. Reason why I came here today because of there's a GO89 18 19 one or two coming down, so I don't know exactly when you're gonna be here. Hopefully he gets here before 1 o'clock because that's the time I plan to leave. So yeah, so I don't know exactly when he's coming down. Yeah, I know he's coming down, but I don't know when. Right now it's been more than 12 hours. He passed Deso, Ohio around 11:30 yesterday morning. Alright, you guys look good. That's all I can tell. You guys be safe going eastbound. Yeah, so the reason why I came down, so that's the reason why I came over here. GO89 is coming down. Don't know when. I just don't know when. See you guys in the next one.